Were you Giggle? Okay, let's start again. How about A?
A. Hey, apple.
Apple. Okay, how about B?
B. Boo, 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 bubbles.
Bubbles. How about C?
C. Cuckoo. C.
K.
Car.
Car. How about D? Come on.
C.
Yeah, C. How about D?
C. Lemon duck.
What number is that?
1.
Is that 1? I think it's 7.
Lemon.
Come here.
Oh no.
What happened?
Oh no.
Yeah, what happened? What's wrong? What is that?
Banana.
Banana. Good job. What's that? What's that?
Lemon.
Lemon. Awesome. What else? What other fruits do you have? What other fruits are inside your kitchen? What's that?
Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Ooh, jump. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. They're all yellow. What about that? What's that green one over there? What's that green fruit over there? Your kitchen. That green one. What's that green one? Know what that? What's that? That do you know what that is? Say it's a melon. Can you say melon? What's that? Is that a knife? That one doesn't, baby. Just pretend. No, yeah, this one, just pretend. Oh. Where's the other half of the pineapple so you can cut it? Where's the other part of the pineapple? Good job. See, now you can cut it with the knife. Put it down here so you can cut it. Put it down. There you go. Oh, you're making it hard. Oh, yay. Good job. All right. Awesome.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, straight sub, babe. Babe, look.
Chippy chippies.
Look how much she has in her hands, dude. She grabbed like a handful of stuff.
Yum, yum, yum. Chippy chippies. I love chippy chippies. Yum, 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 yum. 1 little, 2 little, 3 chippy chippies. 4.
Dude, you're shoving like 50 in there.
Wow. Someone's sleepy. What the heck?
Where's Baba? Where'd Baba go? I don't see her. Where did she go?
There's Bell Bell.
Oh, she left. Okay, let's go bye-bye, mommy. Let's go bye-bye. Bell Bell left. Where's Bell Bell? I see you. I see you. Giggle. Isabel, giggle. Isabel, giggle. 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 No, little baby. Night night. Peekaboo. I see you. Where's Isabel? I see you. I see you. I see you. How you throwing gang signs, Isabel? How you doing the Birdman? Giggle. Giggle first.
Yeah.
Giggle. Okay, Isabel.
What are you doing?
Jumping.
Are you jumping? Whoa!
Jumping and jumping.
Whoa!
And jumping.
Jumping and jumping? Whoa! Fantastic.
It's on it.
Super.
Super.
Outstanding.
Funny.
Great job.
It's job.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Kukuluka.
Ganga. Many chick.
Minnie's Boutique.
And then a chick. I a chick.
Mm-hmm.
And then a chick. And then a chick. And then a chick. And then a chick.
Yay.
And then a chick.
Welcome to my new boutique. What's this right here? This one. Mushroom. Acorn. What's that? What's that? A leaf. Mushroom? I feel like I smell poop again.
Oh, the
Tree.
fish is sitting down.
No, I definitely smell poop again.
I got the last one. It's yours.
I think we'll give her a bath after. Mushroom. Say mushroom. Mushroom. So cute. Acorn. Are you copying me? Huh? Are you copying me? Oh, jump. Okay. What's the matter? What's wrong, baby? Red? Orange?
Yes. Red, orange, yellow, blue, white,
What color is that?
white.
White.
That color,
Now, what color is that?
white.
No.
Wow.
Oh, brown.
That pink.
Pink. Good job.
It's
YouTube. Oh, my.
yellow.
Oh, yellow.
That white. Orange. And that yellow. And that pink. And that the color.
Blue.
Color. A key. That.
That's right. Green.
That. Purple. Purple.
Purple.
That. Color.
Black. Good job.
Red.
Red. Awesome. You know all of the colors. Good job.
Colors.
Yeah, you know all of them. Isabel, terrific.
That.
White.
Red. White.
Good job. You did it.
The color.
Brown.
Like that. One.
The end.
Colors.
Yeah, colors. That's right.
She was just like looking at herself.
Slow motion.
Yum.
Yummy.
She's saying yum, but she's like,
Yummy. Good. Random senior. Go.
oh, are you checking yourself out? Are you cute? You don't like this one? Just rice then? Just rice? Okay, rice. What about a little bit of chicken?
Yeah. Gummy. Gummy.
What's up, baby? Are you eating? What are you eating?
Rice and chicken.
Oo, kami, palutin siya kami, magnilaga.
Yum. Ooh, we haven't had that in a while.
I know.
We should make that next.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ay, isip mo mong yan yung kaulit, kung sumitake na Grace.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Bebel. What are you eating? Hi. She's leaning back now, huh?
Oh, yeah.
How are you, Bebel? Hi.
I know.
You look like you got some sun.
Is she?
Uncle Jay.
Uncle Jay.
Oh, where's Uncle Jay?
I do Uncle Jay.
Uncle Jay. Oh my God.
I do Uncle Jay.
Yeah, we were FaceTiming with Anne earlier, and she was like, Uncle Jay.
Oh yeah.
No, we were FaceTiming with Anne, but she was probably just used to seeing them together, maybe.
Right. Auntie and Uncle Jay.
I think Uncle Jay is easy to say. That's why.
Probably. There's like a wrinklet.
Hi.
Hi. Did she get some sun?
I don't think so. Maybe it's the lighting. We haven't been out since the last time.
Looks like she's got some sun.
Probably the lighting.
Chicken.
There.
A, B, C, D.
It's just the lighting. Just the lighting.
No, the last time you saw her, we haven't been outside.
Maybe just the light.
Right?
Ay, mo matuling niya, Tik.
Calm your booty, mother.
It's okay. Brown is beautiful.
Brown is beautiful.
If you
Mani ba din niyang ikip mi palinwan?
No, we haven't been in the sun.
if you freak out too much, I'm gonna take her outside and lead her outside.
Baby, no matter what color, she's still beautiful.
There
Exactly.
you go.
My baby Bebel, my darling Bebel. What's your name, baby? What's your name? My name is...
Oops, I didn't stop her.
My name is...
Here.
My name is...
What's your name? My name. Huh?
Two.
Oh,
Three.
counting.
Do I have to wear a shirt and tie?
No, you have to wear something, you know.
Well, yeah, because we're taking pictures.
Okay.
Yada yada yada. Just wear what you're wearing to work.
Classmate.
And
What if I'm wearing leather chaps?
Very nice t-shirt.
No dress code.
No dress code. It's just t-shirt. T-shirt na po.
He has to get his suit. He has to get his suit dry cleaned.
Puta kalyanda ka kadadata mo bakal. Maktot ka kay maninimawas ka.
They're like Nina Nuyini.
No, my cousins, they'll make fun of me. Michelle.
They were like, what did she call you? What did she call you when you were wearing a sweater that one day?
Oh, bro.
Are you sure you just already taken?
Mommy.
Let me get her more rice. I think.
Who's that? Who's that?
Do you want your?
Yeah.
Say hi, Bebel. Say hi.
Remember when she was holding her thing, when she was holding her
Which one?
iPad niyang mga kanya niya.
When she made.
Itchy. Itchy.
Little scrumptious baby.
She's still wearing her.
Itchy.
Where's YouTube?
What she's like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She all finds it. Already. You hear that?
Itchy. Itchy. Itchy.
Y-O-U. my gosh, Isabel. Multitasking, huh? Wow. Careful, you're stepping on books, you're gonna slip. I'm gonna read.
Whatever. Also.
Read.
Okay.
Okay. Read. Okay. Let's see. It's called Hello, Baby Play. What are you doing, silly?
Isabel, baby.
Come here. Let's go look at the ABCs. Come here. Let's go look at your ABCs. Come here. Over here. Okay. Don't even know.
That's awesome. I see you now, baby. What? No way! No way! No way, Bell Bell. No way, baby.
Come here, let's look at the ABCs. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Yay! Give me a kiss. Yay! You little dog. Good. Alphabet? Please? Please, Mama. Please, Mama. You could play ABCs. Wow. What sound does the puppy make?
What's this? Grandma.
Mama.
You can see many words here. Can you pick one word?
How about the fish? Where's the fish?
Fish. Fish. Fish.
What?
Fish.
What happened? What happened? What happened? Huh?
Awesome.
What's this? Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Outstanding.
Oh my god. No, 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 no. Don't hit yourself. What are you doing? No, no. I thought you were going to get Goodnight Moon. Go get Goodnight Moon. You see it? Okay, you want to read Goodnight Moon? Come on, read it. Too close.
Right.
Come here, too close. Isabel, come here. 10 in the bed. Come here, you're too close. Isabel, you're too close. Come here, please. Good job. Dun, 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 dun. No, it's not nice to cry. You asked for help. No, you asked for help. What do you say?
Hey. No.
Hmm? No, no crying. Isabel, you say help, please.
Please.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see. Give me. You want to put the dog? Okay, the head goes here, like this. And now you put the other part here. The other way, like this. All right. See?
You made a match. Look what you found. You made a match. Here our dog sounds. Yay!
Yay, see? You have to be patient, okay? Horse. You can do it like this. Press it. All right. The other way. You have to put the head like this. Okay, press it. All right.